So over here, if I were to go around onto, let's say for example, on my address bar right here and search for something, let's say for example, Wikipedia Commons, let's say for example, and press enter, then it uses the Bing search engine by default, as you can see, which is set as the default search engine for Microsoft Edge. But if you want to go ahead and change it out, then you can do that by going around onto the three dot button right here and by going into settings. So once you do that, over here on the left hand side, you can go around on to the privacy search and services option right here. So now what you can do is you can go around and scroll down, and over here you can see that address bar and search is an option. So if I were to go around and click, you can see that the search engine used in the address bar is Bing by default. But if I were to go around and choose something else like Yahoo right here, then what happens is that it'll now use Yahoo right here. So search a new tabs uses search box or address bar, as you can see right here. So let me just go around and utilize the address bar over here, just like this. So if I were to go around over here and now search for Wikimedia Commons right here, just like this, and press enter, now you can see that it uses the Yahoo search engine over here. Similarly, you can go around over here and use something like Google over here, just like this as well. So if I were to go around over here and then let's say for example go around over here and say Wiki Commons right here, just like this, then you can see that it uses Google over here now. So this is how you can go around and choose the default search engine inside of Microsoft Edge. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.